Hey, what's going on? And in this video, first of all, I want to thank you guys for showing up and checking out my page and showing me some support. And if you could go ahead and hit that little dingle 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 notification down there, give this video a thumbs up, and hit the little the subscription down there, so subscriber, so you don't miss any other marketing techniques or anything that I learned. I want to be able to project here on this page when it comes to affiliate marketing, online marketing, starting an own at-home based business, how to earn affiliate commissions, how to make direct sales, how to be able to earn direct sales, so that way you can improve your financials in life and gain some freedom. And if you're looking for a way to earn extra cash, you could be looking for a way to leave that 9 to 5. You could be looking for a way to just brand yourself through social media and get on the online scene. So that's what kind of what I'm trying to do here with this video, within my channel. And I do want to thank you guys for watching, and stay to the end. I have a watcher's bonus. You watch to the end and I'll let you know what that watcher's bonus is. So we're gonna get started. There's 3 things you need as an affiliate marketer to be able to get some momentum and see some movement in your at-home based business, and it to make the whole system work for you. So one, you need a traffic source, whether you be paid traffic or free traffic like YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. And if you're afraid of getting on video and you don't want to get on video, then you could do email marketing as well. And we'll get a little bit more detailed into that as this channel grow and as I come with more video to show you guys. So jumping into it, traffic source. One of my favorite traffic sources, and I highly recommend it because I've been a part of it and I've seen success with it, and I've seen that other people were having success with this traffic source too. It's called My Lead Gen Secret. It's been around since 2016. It's almost 10 years, you guys. This company has been around and has been providing quality tier 1 US lead traffic to your affiliate programs, offers, and signups. So with My Lead Gen Secret, it's going to give you 100 leads per day, have the ability to mail in bulk. So that means you'll be able to have the ability to mail out to all 100 leads. Every day you get 100 leads. So after you just join in, after 4 days, you'll have 100 leads to send your mail out to. In demand, highly in demand products, digital products with the Infinity Processing System. It's an online educational course. It teaches you attractive marketing with step-by-step training, allows you to resell the product and give and have they give you a done for you website. On I'm going to take you into the back office into these 3 things so you can see how they kind of work. Again, please stay with me till the end of the video so you can get that watcher taking bonus. It offers you a done for you website. It's a direct sales, member to member, monthly, no monthly fees. So when you join some opportunities and some courses and some programs, they do charge a monthly fee. As like the traffic source, My Lead Gen Secret, it is a monthly fee. It's a one-time $60 startup, but it's a $30 monthly fee. So that makes it a reoccurring income per month when time someone join with you as an affiliate. It offers a 5-level deeps. Now with the digital products, it's a cash flow product. So that means it's member to member sales, direct sales. You get paid 100% directly to you for what product that customer or member joined in at or signed up with you. So you'll make 100% of those commissions. And with this educational course with the Infinity Processing System, they teach you attraction marketing, so that way you know how to attract the perfect client and customer to you, so you're not have to go out there and be trying to sell your friends and your mom and dad and everybody else, but you can actually learn how to attract those people to you. And what I do like about it, it offers, again, direct sales, so you're not waiting for a company payout like with the traffic source. You would wait for a company payout every month. With that, is 100% right then and there. You get your earnings for whatever product packet that person joins you at. Now, to be able to put this all together, you need a marketing system. A marketing system would be like capture pages, would be like autoresponders. If you're new to this, I know this lingo kind of sounds a little in the distance. So what an autoresponder is, when somebody opts into your capture page, it automatically sends a sequence of emails to them, so that way they can you can further keep up and stay in contact with that person who's opted into your capture page. What a capture page is would be one of those little sign up boxes to say, like, put your name and your email in, so that way you can get over to a product or a picture or a book or a magazine, whatever it may be. That's called a capture page. I'm going to do another video within um, within my channel showing how to build a capture page, how to do an email follow-up. So make sure you like and subscribe, so that way you don't miss out on any marketing techniques that I come across, that I learn. I want to be able to share this stuff with you guys. So again, with the My Six Figure Marketing System, it's two is a cash flow opportunity that, again, allow you to get paid direct to you. They offer for 4 different product packages, starting from $15 to $1,500. If you join at the $1,500, you'll make $1,000 direct sales commission straight to you, and it has leverage. So leverage meaning that when someone joined underneath you, you'll make a commission every time they make a sale. I do have the links to all 3 in the bottom in the description if you want to check these out. If this seems something that will be good for you, whether you need a mailing system, whether you're looking for an in-demand digital product, or a traffic source, I highly recommend all 3. I want to take you over now to the back office of each one, so you kind of see how these how they work and how things are put together. So first we have the My Lead Gen Secret, which is the bulk mailer. So every day you'll get 100 leads. Yesterday I got 100 leads. Today I'll get 100 leads, and you'll be able to mail these leads in bulk, and it loads and saves every email you send out here. You can create a message. You can select however many leads you want to send that message to for the day. You can select all, and if I select all, you guys see I have 4,800 leads to mail out today. I'll be sending a mail right when I'm done with this video. What's awesome about it, you can load from previous emails that have done well and have rung you sales. You can always have those into like a vault of emails. So what you do is you'll hit here, pick one, hit load, it'll load up, and then down here it's going to give that same email, and bam, I can't mail out for another 8 hours. This every 24 hours that you're able to mail out. Comes with prefixes, so you can send the mailer by first name, last name, email address, etc. If you want to get started, again, the link is in the description to My Lead Gen Secret. They do offer email swipes. Check out the affiliate program so you know how you can start earning and getting paid with My Lead Gen Secret. You'll check out this video. It'll give you your tags to send out. And yeah, it's an awesome system. So if you want to get started with My Lead Gen Secret, the tag is down in the bottom in the description. please do reach out to me. I have a tag down there for Facebook. I'm willing to show you guys and talk and connect with people and know what it is that you need help with. So please do connect with me down there on Facebook. And this is the back office Affinity processing system. So as you can see, yeah, I'm just going to show you how to create a sales funnel, how to close sales, how to get leads faster with like solo ads and classify ads, what to say when someone's asking you to join your business, so you're not feeling left out and that you don't know how to be able to provide information on how to join your business. Winning mindset, 200 pre-written ads, how to upgrade, how to promote using ads with free traffic websites, Facebook marketing, Craigslist marketing, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, how to automate a six-figure business, how to give bonus hotel resort bonuses for you. This back office has so much value in videos inside of each training course. There's so many different, as you can see. Just kind of swipe through here for you real quick. So if you want to get started with that, you'll pay the $39 admin fee for your website and for your resale rights. The link is also in the bottom in the description. Check it out. Get back with me. My link is to Facebook is down there. Please do connect with me so that way I can kind of guide you and help you and see where you at, what kind of income it is that you're trying to earn, or what's your goals and what are your expectations with starting an at-home business. And if you're already in affiliate marketing and you already do this type of online work and you want to check it out, the links is down in the description again. And I'm going to take over to the marketing system. As you see, capture how many people seen your page. It is 4:08 in the morning, so about 94. I've captured 2 contacts, have no referrals for the day. It captures your system referrals, your commissions, done for you pages. You can edit these pages to make them your own, so that way you'll be able to promote different opportunities with the marketing system. We'll go into the tools. It's gonna you can view your contacts, make editing pages. Again, this would be everything that you would pay for separately, like the email autoresponder. Shows you how to build a bridge page, so that way you build know, like, and trust in your business. How to set up your bridge page, how to do an autoresponder, let you integrate with a third-party autoresponder like MailChimp, GetResponse, Aweber, and those type of autoresponder companies. Contact groups to store up to keep your contacts. You can build a contact group, and I'm going to do a video later on how to go through all this and set everything up once you get joined with the My Six Figure Blueprint, and the link is down in the description. And I'm going to close it there, you guys. Again, with the Action Taker bonus, I'm going to log out of here real quick. The Action Taker bonus, and thank you if you stayed till the end of this presentation. If you want to get started with me with any opportunity, reach out to me on Facebook, contact me through Messenger. With the Affinity processing system, it offers 3 different product packages. So if you want to get started with that, I am going to, if you start at the top level, which is a $300 product packet, I'm going to pay your $39 admin fee for your website, and I'm going to send 100 clicks through a mailer system, so that way you get eyeballs to your site right off the rip. if you get started from the 50 or the 150 product packet, I am going to still send you 50 qualified leads to get you started with the Infinity processing system. And if you want to join with the My Six Figure Blueprint, again, when you get started with the marketing system, then I'm going to send your link to my bulk mailer system within the My Lead Gen Secret, so that way you can start getting eyeballs to your product. And if you want a for sure way to get leads, the My Lead Gen Secret is the best way to get leads. And if you join in with that, I will also send your My Lead Gen Secret links through my bulk mailing, bulk mailer, so that way you can get eyeballs to your opportunity too. I'm gonna get out of here. It's a little longer than I wanted to. Thank you for watching. If you stayed till the end, the links is in the description, and I'll catch up with you guys next time. All right, I'm out of here.